Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's class, we'll be discussing a few multiple choice questions. Okay, we'll solve problems today. We'll not learn any new topics today. First question is find the missing digit. 445 plus dash is equals to 766. See, if you remember this from the previous class, we have one addend and the sum is given. We have to find out the other addend. In these cases, what did we do, children? We subtracted the addend from the sum. 766 minus 445. Yes, what should be added to 445 to get 766? So we subtract 445 from 766. How do we subtract? We start from the ones place. Yes, 6 minus 5 gives us 1. 6 minus 4 gives us 2. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. Now let us look at the options here. Option A 321. Option B 322. Option C 320. Option D 329. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, option A 321 is the correct answer. Yes, we are having one addend and the sum is given. We have to find out the other addend. How will we do this? We will subtract the addend from the sum. Yes, clear children? Okay. Question number 2. Again, find the missing digits. 349 plus 4-6 is equals to 805. Option A 2. Option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. See, this question of 349 plus 4, 6. We do not know this number here, gives us to 805. One number is missing here. Yes, one number is missing here. Now, for these questions, what should you do is first start adding from the ones place as usual. Yes, 9 plus 6 gives us what? 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. Yes children, 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. Now 5 is written here, and what about this one? 1 will be carried. Yes, 5 is written here and the 1 in tens place will be carried. Now coming to the ones place, we have 1 plus 4 which is equals to 5. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. And here we are having 0. See, 5 plus something is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Now, if we add any number to 5, it will obviously be greater than 0, right? Even if I add 0 to 5, 5 plus 0 becomes 5. So, what do they... Just like here, we got 15 but we wrote only 5, right? We got 15 but we wrote only 5. Why? Because 1 was carried. In the same way, here 0 means 10. 0 means 1, 0, 10, wherein 1 was carried to the next digit. Understood children? 5, if we add any number to 5, it will be greater than 0 only. So we are assuming, we are thinking that it is not simply 0, it is 10. Now what? Again, we are having one addend and the sum. We have to find out the other addend. How will we do this? Subtract the addend from the sum. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Yes children, 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So if we place this 5 here, 1 plus 4 becomes 5. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. So 0 here, 1 carried. Now 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Isn't it the correct answer children? Option C, that is 5 is the correct answer. Or another way of solving this question is, see, we know that this is the question. Yes, we know that this is the question and we have 4 options of which any option might be the correct one. Now what you can do is you can try putting each number here. Now option A is 2. So let me keep 2 here. Here 4 plus 2 becomes 8, right? So 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carried. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Yes, we are getting 7, but here the answer is 0. So 2 cannot be the correct answer. Yes. Now let us look at next number 3. So if we keep 3 here, again 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8. Again we are having 0 here. So again 3 is also not the correct answer. Yes children. Now moving on to option C 5. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. Yes 0 here, 1 carried. Yes we got 0 only. So option 5 is the correct answer. Okay. Whenever you don't know what might be the correct answer, you can try this method. You can put each option in the question and check whether we are getting the answer or not. Okay, clear children? Moving on to the question number 3. Find the missing number. 456 is to 487. 360 is to dash. See, what are they saying is we have two numbers 456 and 487. Yes, in the similar way, following the same relation, okay, following the same relation, we have another set of numbers in which one is 360 and we do not know the other number. Okay children, let us say you might have had these questions in science. Mother son, then cat becomes kitten. Yes, see, mother and son, the same relation is between cat and kitten also. Mother and child, let us take mother and child. Yes, in the same way cat and kitten are also related to each other. Yes, in the same way here we have to first find out the relation between 456 and 487. Let us subtract these two. 487 minus 456. Okay. What will we get? What will we get children? 7 minus 6 1. 8 minus 5 3. 4 minus 4 0. So by subtracting these two we got 31. Or simply we can say 456 plus 31 is equals to what? 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 3 8 and 4 487. Yes children? When we add 31 to 456, we got 487. When we add 31 to 456, we get 487. How did we find out that? First we subtracted both the numbers, we got 31. Yes. So what did we find out when we add 31 to 456? The answer is 487. In the same way, we should add this same number 31 to 360. 360 plus 31 becomes what? 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 3 will be written as 3 only. So 360 plus 31 becomes 391. Okay. Both the numbers are related in the same way. What relation these two numbers are having? The same relation exists between these two numbers also. So here we needed to add 31 to get the next number. So we are doing the same with 360 also. We added 31. Now let us look at the options. Option A 380, option B 390, option C 391, option D 381. Which is the correct answer children? What did we get? We got 391. So option C is the correct answer. Understood? First we found out the relation between these two numbers and we applied the same to the other set of number. Yes. Moving on to question number 4. Again this is a similar question. 7,000, 8,000 and the 4,000 and dash. See 7,000 and 8,000 are connected. In the same way, what number should come after 4,000? Let us look at the options. 3,000, 4,500, 5,000, 8,000. This question is pretty simple, right? 7, 8. We know that after 7,000, after 7 comes 8. After 7 comes 8. So they wrote 7,000, 8,000. After 7 comes 8. That is, they added 1,000 here. 7, 8. In the same way, what comes after 5? Sorry, what comes after 4? 5, right? See children, we are having 7,000 and 8000. What can you understand from this? We know that 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Yes, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8 and 1000 is the same here. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. In the same way, our here next number should also have 4000, right? So the next number should also have these 3 zeros, and 4 plus 1 becomes what? 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Understood? 7000, 8000. In the same way, 4000 is to 5000. The correct answer is option C, 5000. Or simply we'll follow the same thing we did in the previous question. 8000 minus 7000 gives us 1000. So 7000 plus 1000 gives us 8000. In the same way, when we add 1000 to 4000, the answer we get is 5000. Understood? Here adding 1000 is the relation. 7000 plus 1000 gives us 8000. In the same way, 4000 plus 1000 gives us what? Option C, 5000. Understood, children? Is this clear? Yes. First find out the relation, then apply the same to the next number. The next question is find the missing number. 450, 460, dash, 480, 490, dash. If you observe this is a series. Yes, this is a collection of certain numbers here. If you carefully observe, we find out that we have 450, then we have 460. How much did we add? We added 10. Yes, 450 plus 10 is equals to 460. Now next again here 480, 490. Here also 480 plus 10 is equals to 490. Yes, children, 480 plus 10 is equals to 490. So what did we understand here? In this series, 10 is added to the next number. To get the next number, we need to add 10. Yes, we need to add 10. Now we have 460 here. What number will come after 460? We need to add 10. 460 plus 10 is equals to 074. 470. Yes, 460 plus 10 is equals to 470. This is our first number. And after 490, what number we'll have here? Again 490 plus 10. 0. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 1 carried. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. So after 490, the next number will be 500. Now let us look at the options. Which option says 470, 500? These two are our numbers, right? 470 and 500. Which option says that, children? Yes, option D, 470, 500. Again, how did we find out these missing numbers? First, we found out the relation between the numbers. That is, we needed to add 10 to get the next number. So we added 10 to 460 to get 470, and again we added 10 to 490 to get 500. So the missing numbers are 470 and 500. Clear, children? Okay, moving on to the next question. Again similar question. 341, 344, 351, 358 dash dash. Option A 366, 371. Option B 365, 372. Option C 366, 372. Option D 365, 371. Now that previous question was easy, right? 450, 460. We simply said that 10 was added. Yes, we needed to add 10. Now look at this here. We have 344, and when we add some other number, the answer we get is 351. See, again the same situation. One addend is there and the sum is there. We do not know the other addend. What will we do? We'll subtract these two. 351 minus 344. Now again 1 we need to borrow from 5. So 11 minus 4 becomes 7. 4 minus 4 0. 3 minus 3 also 0. So what answer did we get? 7. 344 plus 7 is equals to 351. What did we understand from this, children? 344. When 7 was added to 344, we'll get 351. Now let us check the same with these two numbers also. 351 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8, 5, 3. What did we get? 358, right? So what is the relation here? We need to add 7 to get the next number. Yes, we need to add 7 to get the next number. Now we are having 358 here. Let us add 7. 8 plus 7 becomes what? 8 plus 7 becomes 15. 1 carried. 5 plus 1, 6 and 3. 365. The next number is 365. Yes. Now what comes after 365? Again add 7. 5 plus 7 becomes 12. 1 carried. 6 plus 1, 7. 3. 372 is the next number. Yes, children. So what is the correct option here? Option B, 365, 372. How did we find out? We found out that we needed to add 7 to get the next number. So we added 7 to get the missing numbers, and the correct answer is option B, 365, 372. Clear, children? Okay. Moving on to the next question. Which number makes the equation true? See, dash plus 1323 is equals to 1223 plus 1223. Again, here we are having two numbers. We do not know this number here. Yes, we do not know this number here. We are having two numbers which are added on this side. So first let us find out what is the value of this 1223 plus 1223. What is the answer? 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 plus 1, 2. What answer did we get here, children? 2446. Yes, 2446. Now what do we know? That dash plus 1323 is equals to, what is the sum of these two numbers? 2446. Again the same situation. We know one addend and we know the sum, but we do not know the other addend. Now how do we find out? We found out by subtracting these two numbers. 2446 minus 1323. Now 6 minus 3, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now what answer did we get, children? 1123. Now look at the options and tell me which is the correct answer. Yes, option B, 1123 is the correct answer. Understood, children? How did we do this, right? First we found out the sum, and from that sum we subtracted this addend to find out the other addend, which was option B, 1123. Moving on to the next question. Match the following. See, list, we are having two lists here. First one is 567 plus 78. Let us add these two. 567 plus 78. 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 6 plus 7 becomes 13 plus 1 becomes 14. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So 645 is our answer. Yes, for A, 645 is our answer. Now from these given numbers, from these given list, we should find out, from list 2 we should find out by adding which two numbers will we get 645. Now how can we do this, children? Again we have two ways. First one is, let us look at the options. Option A says A can be 1. So A can be equal to 1. Now look at A and look at 1. See, look, if you look at 1, 210 plus 154. What will the answer be? 4, 6, 3. 364. Is it the correct answer? No. So option A is wrong. Moving on to option B. They are saying A can be equal to 4. Now look at question option number 4. 345 plus 300. Yes, when we add these two, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. What answer did we get? We got the same answer, right? We got 645 as our answer. So what can we say? Option A is equals to 4. Yes, we can say that A is equals to 4. So from the given options, look at the given options. In which option is A equal to 4? In option B and option D, right? In option B and option D, we have A is equals to 4. So option A and C are obviously wrong. Why? Because here A is equals to 1 and here A is equals to 2. So we know that A and C are wrong, as we know that A is equals to 4. Now there cannot be two correct answers, right? So from these two we have to find out the correct answer. Now moving on to B. 134 plus 230. 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. 364. Now look at option B. Again, why are we not looking at option A, children? In option A, it is saying that A is equals to 1. We know that A is equals to 4. So, this is the wrong option. That is why we are going for only B and D. B is equals to 1. Now, let us solve 1. Again, 210 plus 154. 0 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. We got the correct answer, right? So, option B is equals to 1. Now, if you look at option B and D, in this only B is saying that B is equals to 1. So, what can we say, children? Which is the correct answer here? Which is the correct option? Is it A, B, C or D? Option B. Yes, option B is the correct answer, because A is equals to 4 is correct and B is equals to 1 is also correct, and it is the only option which has these correct options. Yes, we need not check these two, but again if you want you can solve and check whether these two are correct or not. Okay, now this was one method. Yes, what is the another way of solving this? We first, it is, if you are not okay with this method which I explained just now, children, another method is solve each of it and write the answers. We solved A just now, right? 645, and B also we solved just now, 364. Now D becomes 702 and option C becomes 776. Okay. Now again for list 2 also write the answers here. This becomes 364. This becomes 776. 3 becomes 702. 4 becomes 645. Yes, 645. Now you have all the answers here. You just simply cross check. Here A is 645, 4 is 645. So A is equals to 4. Now B is 364 and 1 is 364. So B is equals to 1. C is 776. 2 is also 776. So C is equal to 2. D is 702 and 3 is 702. So D is equals to 3. Okay, children. Now this is another way of solving this question. Write all the answers and then cross check which number in which option in list A is equal to the option in list C. Now what is the correct option here, children? Option B. A 4, B 1, C 2 and D is equals to 3. Moving on to the next question. The Venn diagram below shows the number of students who voted for their favorite sport. How many students voted in all? Now see, this is very simple. Option A 8 students, B 9 students, C 7, D 6 students. Now you are seeing few names inside this diagram, right? Yes, now simply count the number of names and we will get the number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many students are there, children? 9 students. So the correct answer is option B, 9 students. Very easy, right? Just we counted the number of total students in this diagram here. We got the answer as option B. Option B, 9 students. Moving on to the next question. Which numbers complete the pattern? 4 plus 5 is equals to 40 plus 50 is equals to 40. See children, this is very easy, right? This is just simply oral addition. We know that 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Yes, 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Now what is 40 plus 50 equals to? We have 1 0, so we'll have 1 0 and we know 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. It becomes 90. Now again here we have 2 zeros each, so we'll put 2 zeros here. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. The answer becomes 900. Now here again 3 zeros, so we are putting up 3 zeros. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Yes children, this is very easy, right? This is we are using oral addition to add these numbers. Now look at the options. The correct answer here is 9, 90, 900 and 9000. Yes children. Now look at the options and which is the correct one here? 9, 90, 900 and 9000. Yes, option A, 9, 90, 900 and 9000. Understood, right? Yes, it is the correct answer. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. See, first question is 5746 plus 2222 is same as 3984 plus 3984. Now how to solve this? There is only one way to solve this, that is add both the numbers and see whether their sums are equal. Now first adding this, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 2 6, 9 and 7. Now here 8, 6, 1 carried, this becomes 19 and this is 7. So yes, right, the sums are same here. So we know that option A, statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Both the sums are equal. So statement 1 is true. Moving on to next statement. If we add 777 to 7771, we'll get 8554. Let us check. 7 plus 7 14, 1 carried. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 7 15, 1 carried. Now 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 7 becomes 15, 1 plus 7 becomes 8, 8554. Even in the statement they are saying the same, right? If we add 777 to 7777, we will get 8554. So it is also true. Now if you look at the options, the first two statements should be true, right? If you look at the options, only option A has two truths here. 1 and 2 statements are true only in option A. So simply, even without solving these two statements, we can say that option A is the correct answer. What is the correct answer, children? Option A is the correct answer. Again, if you are not satisfied, let me solve statement number 3 also. If we add 89 to 6789, we will get 6879. Let us see. 9 plus 9 becomes 18, 1 carried. 8 plus 9 7, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17, 1 plus 7 8 and 6 is the same here, 6878. Now what did they say here? They said that we'll get 6879, but we got 78. So it is false. See, again in option number A, true, true, false, right? So simply, even without solving statement 4, we can say that option A here is the correct answer. Okay children? Okay. Moving on to the next question. The table shows the number of stickers collected by 4 friends. How many stickers do Asha and Ricky have in all? Asha and Ricky. 200. And how do we find out the total number of stickers? By adding it. Yes, so 235 plus 167. 235 Asha, 167 Ricky. Now when we add these two, 5 plus 7 becomes 12. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the correct answer, children? Option A, 412. Asha and Ricky have 402. Sorry. Asha and Ricky have 402 stickers with them. Clear, students? Yes, it was a question of simple addition. Now again, this question is also the same. The cost of food of a reputed hotel in the city are as follows. Cody placed order for 1 rice plate, 1 plate of green vegetables and 1 cup of curd. How much did Cody pay? See, only these 3 items he ordered. Now how much did he pay? How will we find out? By adding 230 plus 175 plus 35. Now coming to the ones place, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Again 1 carried. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the correct answer is 440 rupees. How much did he pay? Option A, 440 rupees. How did we find out? We found out by adding the cost of the items. Yes? Yes. Next question. Lena put these soup cans on the shelf of a shop. Soumya put 7 more cans on the shelf. How many cans are there on the shelf together? Now these are put by Lena. Okay, these are put by Lena. First let us count these. 1, 2. Let me take another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did Lena keep? Lena kept 9. Lena kept 9 shelves. 9 cans on the shelf. Again, what did Soumya do? Soumya put 7 more cans. Soumya put 7 more cans. Now, how many cans are there all together? Again, add these two numbers. 9 plus 7 gives us 16. So, the correct answer is what? Option D, 16. Understood, children? We counted the number of cans put up by Lena and then added the cans put up by Soumya. The total is option D, 16. So 16 cans are there on the shelf. Moving on. If one block represents 5 and 2 blocks represent 20, then which of the following represent 25? Yes, children, 25 plus 10. Now see here 2 blocks is equals to 10, right? So in the question the blocks are given in terms of 10 and 5. So we'll split this 25 also as 10 and 5. 10 plus 5 is equals to 25, right? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. And then we are having another 10 in the question. So what do we understand from this? We understand that there are 3 10s and 1 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Yes. Now 10 means 2 blocks. 10 means 2 blocks. Again another 10. 2 blocks. Again 2 blocks and 5. So which option here is the same as this? 3 blocks of 10 and 1 block of 5. Option C. Yes, 3 blocks of 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Yes, children. Now 25 plus 10 is also equal to 35, right? We can directly answer like this, or again 25 plus 10 is equals to 35. Here the values are 10, 10, 5, 5. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. And 25 plus 10 is equals to 30. Now option A is 30. This is 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. This is what we got, 35. And option D is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now which of the given options is equal to 35? Option C. So the correct answer is option C, 35. Understood, children? Yes. Option C, 35 represents 25 plus 10. Next question. Find the missing number in the following addition. Now see, this is a very simple question. 129 plus 735 is equals to 8, 6 dash. Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 5. Now what is 9 plus 5 equal to, children? 9 plus 5 is equals to 16. So 6 will write here and 1 gets carried. See, what did we get answer here? We got the answer as 6. Which of the options reads as 6? Option B. So option B, 6 is the correct answer for this. Yes, it was very easy, right? Yes. Coming to the last question. Sonia puts exactly 5 marbles in each of the vessels shown below. How many marbles has she used in all? She puts exactly 5 marbles, it seems, in each of the vessels. Now let us count the number of vessels first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. There are 12 vessels and there are 5 marbles in each. There are 12 vessels and 5 marbles in each. Now how many marbles has she used in all? What is the total number of marbles she used? Now there are two ways to solve this. First way is, as we need to count 5 12 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus so on. We need to count 5 12 times and get the answer. Or simply what can we do is, we can multiply 12 with 5. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. You can simply multiply 12 with 5. Y means multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Instead of adding 5 12 times, see, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus, so it becomes a big process, right? So instead of adding 5 12 times, we simply multiply 5 with 12. Yes, we simply multiply 5 with 12. Now 12 5s are 60. So the answer for this question is option A, 60. Sonia used 60 marbles in all. Understood, children? See, this is how we solve this question. Why did we multiply? Because multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Yes, I hope this was clear, and all the best for your exam. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.